Wadhi nyime nyako Ramogi jatend Migago mar Chwech Aisha Joma kawuono Twak e romo mar 13 mar riwruok mar pinje e bwo riwruok mar Commonwealth. Joma manoloso e yor tudruok manyasani ka en e pacho ka ne jokanyo moko maromo e piny mar Bahamas ojiwo twak e wi weche ma pod tweyo mine mamoko kata mamono gi dongruok. Moko kuom wechego oting'o kedo gi lwenje mag kit chwech, kungo, jiwo tend mine e kind weche mamoko.
We also need the horizontal leadership. Must leadership always be CEO? What about the woman who's a farmer? Can she lead the kettle deep? Can she be the leader, the chair of the coffee society? Because leadership, we've been told a lot of time, is women at the very top, the ones who are being seen. We want women, even those who are not being seen at that level, to also take up those positions because they are important to us.
Women economic empowerment contributes to gender equality. And gender equality is good for development because countries that have gender equality, where women are more informed in decision making in the different sectors of the economy, those countries are way ahead in development.
Governor Mar County